What's poppin'? Pop 313 back again.
Everybody.
Probably a good sought after chase because it glows in the dark. I don't know who SCAREGLOW is, but
Yeah,
shout
I just
out
saw
to
it
him.
and I thought it was dope to chase version. So hopefully we get to chase because I really want the glow.
So hopefully it's 1 in 6,000. So check the chase. Oh no, a whole bunch of stuff on my lap.
I already switching.
You already said you were doing that. Alright, 3, 2, 1, rip. Alright, same time. Let's get the same one. I'm gonna turn you around. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Heroes! Lucked out. These were the only 2, so shout out to anybody that was able to pull a chase.
But you can kind of see that the piece right here is going a little bit.
Yeah. Let's actually check the cards since we didn't get I got a low number. It's only 6,000, so don't have to check the card. Let's see what we got like it looking like. I got 4,420.
I'm over here trying to get my card out. I got 2,870.
It's Pop 313. We'll holler at you.